Hey, this is Knox for Knox Locks. I've been up all night, sitting here picking for cash. Let's see, here's the box. I've got it a couple times, yet to get it on camera, but I have a feeling. Hold on, as you can see, look, shackles closed. Okay, there's no manipulating it. I guess close. And I'm pretty sure I got the last binding pin. If I remember, I'm pretty sure it's 3. I said I've got it open a couple times, just never on camera. There we go. There we go. There we go. Fuck yeah, we got cash open. Cash open on camera, baby. I just wanted to get that as a little self-satisfaction. Unfortunately, I don't think because I didn't close it with a key and do all that I'd be able to submit it for the belt. But that's gonna be for tomorrow. But yeah, baby, we got it. Thank you, Joe Picks. Much appreciated. And very much thank you to Benito Bendito. Thank you, amigo, for creating this guy. All right, thanks.